One of the most effective strategies to boost your health is to consume fruits and vegetables. When you eat fruits and vegetables on a regular basis, you can reap a variety of benefits, including improved immune function, improved digestive health, improved skin health, and weight loss and maintenance. Facts about juices for diet. A juice cleanse, often known as a juice diet, is one of the most popular weight loss strategies. For the best results, diet drinks are produced by combining fruits, vegetables, and vitamins. Fruits and vegetables are thought to provide balanced nourishment in a weight loss regimen. Some people believe that following a juice diet will naturally cleanse the body, allowing for better health. When embarking on a juice diet, you will typically consume fruit and vegetable juices for the duration of the diet. The juice diet is usually good for 3 to 10 days. Is it true, however, juicing for this diet may be done on a daily basis and result in proper weight loss? Here are 6 facts about juice for the diet. 1. Not everyone can do the juice diet. You will only consume fruits in the form of juice or liquid if you are on a juice diet. This situation can be dangerous if done for a long period without the care of a medical team or doctor. Particularly if you've had a history of chronic illness. This diet is not suggested for people with diabetes. It is preferable to speak with your doctor directly about the diet you intend to follow so that it can be tailored to your specific health needs. 2. Able to improve intestinal health. Eating fruits and vegetables can enhance gut health, according to a study published in the journal Advances in Nutrition. According to the journal, a 3-day juice diet altered the gut microbiome, which is linked to weight loss. Furthermore, after 2 weeks of following a juice diet, the sense of being more at peace in the bowels and digestion improves. 3. Increases the risk of electrolyte imbalance. Overdoing it on fluids and herbal teas for an extended length of time might lead to electrolyte imbalance. This condition is extremely harmful to the body and can result in a variety of health issues, including diarrhea, migraines, nausea, tingling, and muscular cramps. 4. Causes eating disorders. When your health is in tip-top shape, you can drink diet juice. This diet must also be followed for a period of time under the direction of a medical professional. If followed for an extended period of time, this diet may raise the chance of developing eating disorders. 5. Trigger energy deficiency. Juice consumption for an extended period of time might cause calorie deficiency in the body. This disorder can cause a person's blood sugar levels to drop, resulting in a lack of energy in the body. 6. Potentially lack of protein and fat. A person who follows a juice diet for an extended period of time or without sufficient supervision risks deficiency in protein and fat. In reality, these 2 nutrients are essential for physical well-being, healing, and cognitive function. It's important to note that juiced fruits and vegetables cannot meet the body's fiber requirements. To maximize the benefits of diet juice, fiber supplements can be added to ensure that the body's fiber requirements are met.